Oh my goodness, this is part 2 of your second OG lesson for the week. My video camera just randomly turned off, so thank you to your teachers for showing both parts of my lesson today. All right, we were on blends, thra, ska, shra, st, twa, blah. All right. Thank you for hanging in there with me. Okay. Owl, adipa. All, adasta. Eng, ing, ong, ung. Adabra. Enk, ink, onk, unk. Adabra. Brink, brink, bronk, bronk. Very good job. All right, I need everybody to take out your bee checker. Remember, when you have up the correct hand, which is your left hand, it will have a capital L, or it will have the stick and the ball for your lowercase b. Okay? So I want you to hold up your bee checker, and I want you to tell me, I'm going to shuffle these again, if it is a bee or not a bee. Here we go. Very good job. All right. A syllable is a word or part of a word with only one vowel sound. All right, you can say these with me. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, z is spelled ZZ. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, f is spelled FF. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, s is spelled SS. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, k is spelled CK. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. And at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. Because, of course, no English word ends in J. All right, just a reminder, this is your silent E. Some people call it a magic E. And when you see a silent E on the end of a word, it means that you go back and look at the vowel in the word, and it changes it from a short vowel, like I, to a long vowel, I. Okay? I'm going to show you these words. I know I've shown you these in the past, but we just need to keep practicing. Pal turns into pale. See how it says A and A. Fat turns into fate. Rat turns into rate. Rate means the speed that you do something. Tap turns into tape. And mad turns into made. Good job. That's the silent E. All right. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a word that changes the meaning. Here are some of our suffixes. I know you all have been working hard on these in class. Est, Us, ud, duh, t. Ing, lee. All right, now we're going to talk about prefixes. Prefixes are a letter or a letter found at the beginning of the base word or the root word. That changes the meaning. Pre means before. Here are some of our prefixes. Un, pre, of course. Miss, pro, re, and dis. Very good job. All right, these are some of our vowel patterns. I'm not going to do all of these today. I think I'll split them in half. Ready? A, aw, aw, a, e. Remember when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. That's why this vowel pattern, this vowel team makes an E sound. E, E, ew, and E, or it could say A, either one. E in the word like key, A like in the word they. Okay? Those are our blends. And I think I'm ready to show you one more quick thing. Sometimes an S can make a Z sound, like Z. Instead of going S, it could say Z. And there is kind of a rule about that. If you have an S that's between two vowels, it says the Z sound. Here's an example. O's. We know that's a long O sound because of the silent E. O's. Hear that Z sound? See how that S is between two vowels? That's when it says the Z sound. Okay, let me show you just a few more examples. Rose. Hear the Z. Wise. And use. So remember, if you see an S between two vowels, it will make that Z sound. So when you're writing, you want to remember that and not put a Z there, put an S there instead. Okay? All right, I am going to pull over my words. All right, repeat after me. Globe, stage, badge, compare, extreme, describe, happened, bumping, unbuckle, pre-write. All right, I'm looking for a word that has a prefix on it. A prefix. If you said pre-write, you are correct. Or if you said unbuckle, you are also correct. Un is a prefix, pre is a prefix. Okay? I'm looking for a word that means you are looking at two things and sort of deciding if they're the same or different. If you said compare, you are correct. Okay? I'm looking for a word that means that you are giving me more details about something. If you said describe, you are correct. And I'm looking for a word that is something that you can earn. If you said badge, you are correct. All right. I'm looking to see how many words of mine have a suffix this time. Look and see if you see any suffixes this time. And how many do you see? If you said 2, you are correct. Happened and bumping both have suffixes this time. So suffixes are at the end, prefixes are at the beginning. Okay? So let's say my word's medium fast this time. Globe, stage, badge, compare, extreme. Describe, happened, bumping, unbuckle, pre-write. Try them again a little bit faster. Globe, stage, badge, compare, extreme. Describe, happened, bumping, unbuckle, pre-write. Little faster. Globe, stage, badge, compare, extreme. Describe, happened, bumping, unbuckle, pre-write. All right. Are you ready to play Beat the Teacher? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. All right. Very good job. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.